Bruno Fernandes, what a player you are. What a player. Chai, you are one of the best midfielder in Premier League right now. No one is close to you. No one to compare with you. What a player you are. Just look at your crosses all the time. Every match. You keep on doing your best. What a player you are. What a player. You have been carrying this club, this great club, all by yourself. Since you arrived to this club, always you, every year, you are doing your best. You deserve a major trophy. Hopefully next season we'll do better. You are a great player. We the Manchester United fans love you so much. Alright? Guys, like the video, share, and follow for more. Thank you guys. See you for front.